Like this. You follow this. Last. Now. Have a. Okay, just pretend you like to drink all the time looking and come close. That will do in the close.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'll explain the close-up. Same thing. Okay. You sat down. You're coming close. You also come close. Here. Then suddenly I'll say ting tong.
Okay.
You keep look. Okay. Now what I want you to do is you're coming close and you're like okay. So when I say ting tong, you're still.
The look is very
There. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Ting tong. Get up. And now this got to be very rough, huh?
Okay.
Like, and you got to pick her up.
Exit.
Okay. Down करो. Net निकालो. Net निकालो. Just don't sip it. थोड़ा left hand करो. One more. ऊपर आ निकालो. Net hard बंद करो. Net निकालो. Okay. I'm out.
Rehearsal, na?
One rehearsal. Action. Close. Ting tong. No, Usha, you need to exaggerate. Should be like that, yeah? Don't here. Just that last part will look. Come close.
Okay, last part.
Yeah. The moment he starts coming towards you, for the kiss, you. Okay. Ready? Cut. Oh, sorry, cut as a take. Cut before you go in. Ready? Action. Ting tong. Yeah. Cut. Okay. Getting up. Yeah. Oh, Baba, you lead first. It should be this way. Yeah? You go like this.
That way. Okay.
Huh?
Right? Then she has to do a little bit of.
Yeah. Just exaggerate. Baba, if you always just like that.
So yeah, just.
Huh?
1, 2, 3.
Okay,
I'm coming.
ting tong. Huh? I mean, your legs flying all over the place, drink goes, whatever. Not towards the camera. So, taking. Makeup touch up and taking.
But not much more footage going. This straight going, sitting.
Sit. Close. Ting tong. Look. Take up. Okay. One more we take. Acha, Baba.
Yeah.
Just add one more thing.
Okay.
When you sit, make sure that you're here. Girl is here. You're here. So you sit.
Okay, that way. Okay.
Yeah? And then you come.
Okay.
Huh? Acha, when Usha, when he comes towards you, react like, okay,
what's happening?
this guy's gonna make us move.
How?
Ready? Taking.
Mobile phone नहीं आ रहा?
Just take that as mine. Ready? Roll.
हाँ. तो मुझे बोलना है इनको बोलना.
Roll. Action. Sit. Yes. Ting tong. Got it. Okay, much better. Maintain that. Okay, it should be so close.
Yeah.
That's the
Okay.
so close. Now one more. Close up. Sir. Sit. Ting tong. Okay? Cut. Okay. Usha, relax.
क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है इसके बारे में?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इस एल्बम का नाम है मिस लुम्बा लुम्बा. कॉन्सेप्ट है मतलब जब हम टाइटल सॉन्ग शूट कर रहे हैं मिस लुम्बा लुम्बा, कैन इज डूइंग इट. कॉन्सेप्ट है कि देयर लाइक प्लेंटी ऑफ गर्ल्स, सब मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं. सो लाइक एक लड़की को मैं बता रहा हूँ कि यू आर द ओनली वन इन माई लाइफ, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड टू यू ओनली. बट आफ्टर 1 hour's टाइम somebody else is to come. After 1 hour's time, the third has to come, fourth has to come, fifth. It's like comedy. It's like a Playboy. It's like Casanova. Like it's fun. Ultimately, they end up thrashing me, beating me up. Though my
ओके ये वीडियो का ये जो सॉन्ग है
हाँ.
इसका आपने कहा would you say it's inspired by any other song?
No, this is not inspired. It's a little takeoff. I should say little takeoff that bombastic, this shaggy thing. It's not a like copy of that. It's takeoff in the sense a good concept. Like this is Miss Lumba Lumba, tute badi fantastic. Miss Lumba Lumba, you're very romantic. And the rap goes like, hey Lumba Lumba, तेरे टेलीफोन का नाम रूम्बा रूम्बा. मत बोल मत बोल मत बोल झूठा अपना नाम रूम्बा रूम्बा. दिल में ठेस लगती जैसे कोर्ट में कोई केस लड़ता. It goes like this. So this is like total rap where I'm just rapping and rapping continuously.
Okay, and do you write your own?
Yeah, I write my own songs. And this particular song, I think मैंने कम से कम 3-4 दिन लगाए इसको रिकॉर्ड करने में. Because बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ ज़्यादा इसमें it's a mid tempo song, but it's very catchy. It's like Miss Lumba Lumba, wow wow wow.
Tell us about this album और इसमें कौन से गाने हैं और कैसे?
इसमें कई तरह के पंजाबी गाने हैं. इसके अंदर 2 पंजाबी गाने हैं, लाइक मुक्की मुक्की मार. यू नो पंजाबी?
हाँ जी, थोड़ा
मुक्की मुक्की मार प्याज लिया दे मैनू मुक्की मुक्की खाने हन मैं राजमा चावल लस्सी दा एक गिलास लिया दे मैनू. दिस इज फॉर द मार्केट टोटल पंजाब. And they're like one is we're shooting the second video as well. That's called Kitty Kitty Very Very Witty Witty. It's like it's an English song sung in a Desi style. Like suppose if I'm going to sing that song, like it's not a like very hip kind of English version. No, nothing. It's like one day I got up in the morning feeling very very bimar. I told my wife make something very nice like a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. She told me relax, let me take out some gas. I cried, she laughed, people calling her Kitty Kitty very very witty. No, it's like that. So that is very it's a low tempo song, but it's very very catchy.
Sit. Come close, Baba. And cut. No.
She's actually drinking.
Okay. You should be facing little this side. Sit. Come close. Very good. Ding dong.
Yeah, little closer.
No, put your leg little this side. Let bring so he can little this side so he can come closer. Otherwise your leg is there, so he's like. Spills, don't worry, let it spill. Ready? Roll. Action. Sip. Close. Ding dong. Cut. Okay. One more, now close up. Taking silence. Roll. Action. Close. Ding dong. Cut. Okay. Okay. Usha, light off.
You're shooting this new video with Baba Saidal. Tell us a little about it.
Well, the song is called Miss Lumba Lumba, and well, it has Baba playing normal next door kind of a guy, but he's a photographer. And for the rest, watch the video.
Okay. How do you how do you get your ideas for making a video? I mean, where do you listen to the song and it's something pertaining to the song, or nowadays you have a lot of alternative themes, like the song is incidental. So how do you decide?
It depends. 99.9% it's the song. It's generally got to be the song. But sometimes what happens is your concept, you might not be able to get some things that you need. Like maybe I want to have a dinosaur in my video. So if you can't have that, then you got to work on an alternative concept. Or sometimes the artist is not available. Like it was in Roop Tera Mastana. The artist was not available. So it varies. But this one is, the concept is just perfect for the song. No, that's okay. Don't worry. Later on they should go.
Okay?
Okay.
Come. Go.
Sandhya.
Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, that really worked. What kind of response you got on it?
College.
Ding dong. Cut. No,
Oh, I
you
was
don't
supposed to
react.
react.
You're not supposed to react.
Sorry.
Closer. And ding dong. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Left on the.
One more. Close. Very nice. One more. Close.